guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about my 2019 goals. I've never made a video like this, but I want to enter the new year on a really positive note and with some clear goals in mind. I watched a couple of other videos similar to this. It made me have a bit of structure, it gave me a few ideas, and I think it's a really positive thing to just write down your goals and just have them in mind, and then it's something that you can look back on in a few months or at the end of next year and see what you ticked off your list. Let's get into my 2019 goals. One of the ways someone did structure, I think her name was Lavendia, she went in first with a theme of the new year. So my theme for 2019 is going to be Girl Boss. I just recently launched my very own business, Quartz Beauty. Of course, I have my YouTube channel as well. So I want those two things to be the main focus of 2019 for me. With that being said, it leads into a few of my other goals, but mainly I want to just really slay my businesses. I want to get on top of things. I want them to be successful. I want to put so much love and energy into them, and I want to see them thrive. And if you have your own business, there is absolutely nothing wrong with saying all of these things. Obviously, you want your own business to be successful, but I think as well as saying that I want it to be successful, I know when saying that I want to be a girl boss, like I know how much time, love, energy, sweat, tears that I need to put into these businesses to make them successful. So I'm not going into it blindfolded. I'm fully aware of what I need to do to achieve that girl boss status. Okay, so moving on to my goals. Now, I haven't broken them down into categories. I've just kind of written them down. This is the first time I'm doing it, and maybe some of these can inspire you to create your own goals. The first one that I have is for Quartz Beauty. I want to come out with new releases by April or May. I put April down, but then I thought, is that a little bit too soon? Definitely in the first half of the year, like I've got quite a few things that I'm working on, but it's a matter of fact of deciding on what I'm gonna do and then purchasing them, getting them in. Yeah, there's my first goal. My next goal is to get to my goal weight. I currently have about 13 kilos to go, and I've never actually got to my goal weight. Even before my wedding, like I got maybe 1 kilo off, but I feel like my body is so different to how it was 5 years ago. That's definitely something that I want to achieve, and I know that I need to work really hard to get there as well. Okay, the next goal is about this, my YouTube channel. I want to be consistent and upload 3 videos a week, at least 3 videos a week. I know at the start of last year, I did that so well, and that I might have maybe missed a few uploads. I think a goal for me last year was to really make my channel's content diverse. So I was uploading like cake decorating videos, makeup, cleaning my house video, keto videos, all different types, and I feel like I can upload anything that I want on this channel, and I'm so proud of that. I just upload me. I do it for myself. If I want to make a video about something, I will, and I'm really proud of that. That was the goal for me last year, and was really good with that at the start of the year. I did have a lot of things going on in the middle of last year which saw me be absent from my YouTube channel, but I feel like in the last month or month and a half or so, I've been really consistent, and I've worked really hard to try and be consistent for myself and you guys as well. I have put down that I want to do a weekly vlog. Currently, I'm doing a weekly keto weight loss vlog. I'm not gonna lie, it has been a bit difficult, and there's been times where I haven't, or days that I haven't vlogged. I find that when I'm stressed or when I'm not feeling well, I tend to not reach for the camera because, you know, sometimes moments are just meant to be private. So I do definitely want to do a weekly vlog. Whether or not it happens, I don't know. I just put that there as something to aspire to, and I feel like I can connect so much more with you guys showing you my week, if that makes sense. Now the next one is to create inspiring content to be engaging and of high quality. I feel like now that I've got my camera fixed, the quality has just upped itself so much. It was on the wrong color settings for like a year and a half. Anyway, but I feel like with the help of, you know, this setup and everything, I feel like I've got it good. And it's just about trying to make more engaging content for you guys, trying to try a few different styles, see what works and what you guys respond best to, what you guys like to see. Yeah, just try a few different things and be a bit more creative as well. Not just slapping things together, because I've done that for so long because I have been so time poor. Hopefully I will have more time to put more energy into the videos that I upload to make them better. Save for an outdoor area and have it up by October. We have an outdoor area, but we do want to do an addition where we have a pergola and barbecue area and have it concreted as well. I'm not exactly sure. We haven't had any quotes done, but I'm guessing it's going to cost around $10,000. So I'd really love to be able to save for that and have that up by October, ready for next year. I do want to do more lifestyle content on this channel. I have been trying to mix it up between beauty and try and hauls and other things, but I definitely want to do more lifestyle content. By lifestyle, I'm gonna work that out. I don't have all the answers right now, but I want to do routine videos, cooking videos, just more me, even more so me than this already is. I have got here make more time for my relationship. I feel like the last couple of months everything's been so crazy, especially like with the launch and how I've been feeling, but I just feel like we could spend a bit more time together, but with doing activities. Perhaps on the weekend we could go for a drive somewhere, we could go stay a weekend away, just making that time, putting that time aside for just us and enjoying that time. Okay, I have exercised 3 times per week. I can say that in 2018, I did not go to the gym at all. I actually quit both of my gym memberships. I don't think I exercised at all. Actually, I lie. I did go for some walks. I would say less than a dozen walks. Look, I've made it a goal. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I do want to get back into going to the gym in the morning, getting my day started, feeling good, feeling healthy, feeling productive. So I put that on there. I'm sure go to the gym is on everyone's goals. And then I do have another one. I was with my friends Rachel and Anna and I was talking about Quartz Beauty and they're like, you should have a launch party. And I'm like, oh, do you know how much they cost? They cost so much money. And then Rachel had an idea of how we could do it. I think we're gonna do it. So I put it down on my list to have a Quartz Beauty launch party. Whether or not it happens, maybe when we have the new releases or if I do like a little one now, but I do have that here on my list of goals because it is something that I want to do and I want to have my friends there to help me share in the moment of the brand and its success, and yeah, that would mean a lot to me. So I definitely put that down. I wasn't sure if I was going to share this with you, and I try and not base anything on figures and numbers and everything, but I did put it down there, and to be honest, like, it's not the end of the world if it doesn't happen, but it would be a really good thing and it would be something to work towards. And I think that inside of everyone's mind, they have a goal of what they want to achieve in the amount of subscribers or followers. So I put down that I wanted to reach 300,000 subscribers this year. It has been a slow road for me. I know that I felt like I reached 100,000 really, really quickly, and I'm just shy of 200,000 at this stage. I really wanted to get to 200,000 at some point this year. Unfortunately, that hasn't happened. I blame that on myself, like I haven't been consistent, but I feel like with new, fresh content ideas and just a better outlook on things, I feel like, I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I feel like it's something that I can achieve if I'm going to try for it and try my best. Again, I don't put a number on things, but I just thought that that would be a really cool thing. It's like a little reward for your hard work reaching a milestone on YouTube. So that's all that I have down for my goals at this stage. I don't know if I'll maybe reassess and put new goals down as the year goes on, but yeah, I have that for now. I'm pretty happy with that. I would love to know some of your goals. If you felt comfortable enough to share them in the comments below. You know, I just want to be someone that is, you know, you guys can relate to. I can inspire you to be the best version of yourself, and I can give you ideas on how to be happy. I didn't put any of that down in my goals, but that's basically what this channel has always been about. So I wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for all of your support during the year. I'm very excited for 2019. 2018 for me personally hasn't been a very easy year, in saying that I know how much we can grow from our struggles, and I don't want to get emotional. And I think that if you can take that in your stride and not let it get you down, you will be a better person because of it. So no matter what you've been through this year, highs and lows, take it in your stride and strive for 2019 to be a better year all round. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you really soon. Bye. Thank you.